Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to combine two indicators in Tradingview using PineScript, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account. If you don't have one yet, go to tradingview.com, click on Sign Up, and create a free account using your email or Google account. You'll need it to access the PineScript editor and apply custom indicators directly on your charts. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Open PineScript editor. Once you're logged in, open any chart. You can choose stocks, crypto, or Forex. At the bottom, click the Pine Editor tab. This is where we'll write our combined indicator logic. Step 2. First, let's put two scripts separately, and then we will combine them. Here is RSI code. Let's put it and test it. It works. Now let's put this MACD alone and test it. It works too. Now, let's say we want to combine RSI and MACD. We can copy both codes and tell Chatgpt to combine them. And Chatgpt will work for it and give a combined working code. Here's a basic example. This is a combined code given by Chatgpt for PineScript version 5. Step 3, add it to your chart. Once the code is ready, click Add to Chart. You'll now see your custom buy and sell signals plotted directly on the chart. These are fully dynamic and update in real time, so it works smoothly. You can get any indicator's script if it's public by this way, and go to Chatgpt and tell it to merge. If there is any error in doing this, you can also tell the same to Chatgpt. It will resolve anyhow. Calculates RSI and MACD values. Detects when RSI is oversold and MACD is bullish. Triggers a buy label. Or when RSI is overbought and MACD turns bearish, triggers a sell label. This helps filter out noise and improve the reliability of your trading setups. If this helped you out, let us know in the comments.